Okay, it is working now. We're back, guys. I'm right here at Eyeglass Factory in Liguanea Lane Plaza in Liguanea in Kingston 6, most expensive area of Jamaica, area code. Okay, anyway, so as you can see, I'm trying one of their hottest frames here at Eyeglass Factory showroom. Tell me what you think about this frame. I like it because it's red and it's funky and, you know, cute. And then, so that's one. The other one is this. I like this one because it's a little bit more subtle. Tell me what you think about this one. This is actually purple, so I don't know if you've seen it purple. Look, lean on my face though. Alright, but back to you, Lamoy. So Lamoy, Jamaica Smiles is a feature that focuses on all the positive things about Jamaica. So tell me 5 things about Jamaica that makes you smile.
So first of all, food, you know. Jamaica, the best food in the world.
Yes, what else?
The people.
Mm-hmm.
The culture. That's 3.
That's 3.
The scenery, like when you go on the countryside, the scenery.
Like where? Tell me somewhere.
Like when you go to Portland and them places.
Yes.
They have some lovely places. And there are places in Jamaica that I haven't even been. As much as all Jamaica is small, there are other places which is, it comes down to income. Sometimes the income make you can't really go certain places, you know?
Yeah.
But there are other lovely places in Jamaica to see. One more.
Yes, one more.
The beaches. Everybody loves the beach. And I'm sure your viewers who are outside of Jamaica will tell you that when they come to Jamaica, one of the things that they're coming to do is to go to one of the lovely beaches that are here in Jamaica.
Yes. All right. So that's 5 things that you like about Jamaica. Tell me one thing that you don't particularly like about Jamaica that you think can be improved.
Unemployment. I think that's one of our biggest problems in Jamaica, that there are other persons that are unemployed, and I think it contributes a lot to the crime and violence that is happening in the country, because I guess a lot of idle time and a lot of idle acts will lead to idleness.
Yes. So how can we address this unemployment issue?
Well, people love to say that the government this and the government that.
Yeah.
I don't want to sound cliche, but I think with the provision of more jobs, you'll have less persons that are out there not doing anything productive, which will lead them to do things that are unproductive, such as killing and robbing and all that stuff.
All right. Thank you so much, Lamoy. Okay, so I have Jacqueline Marston Blake from I don't know where. But Jacqueline, you can tell me, she says she likes the food, weather, beach, and outdoor lifestyle. All right, I like the outdoor lifestyle as well, and I love Jamaican people, you know. The other employees here are a bit shy, but I love their personality already because they're so colorful. Here's another frame that I'm trying. I like this one because it has this gold rim, so it's kind of look, you know, hot girl style, you see me? So tell me which frame you like. I tried this one, I tried the red one, I tried the purple one. Tell me which one to choose. I'm coming right back at Eyeglass Factory to get my frame, new frames, because it's due. Until next time. Oh, I need to try another one. Alright, so I'll try another one.
This is one of our own, very own, as in we here at Eyeglass Factory made this one.
You guys made this one.
And if you look at the side, you see the name. It says Jamaica Vibes.
Well, it said Jamaica Vibes. I'm showing it correctly. I hope people seeing it. So this is actually manufactured in Jamaica, guys. So I think you want to come to Eyeglass Factory because you're not only supporting a Jamaican-owned business, you're supporting Jamaican manufacturers. I can't believe. You need to come and check out Eyeglass Factory right here in Liguanea Lane Plaza. You guys are also located where?
So Plaza, that's Factory.
Yes.
Clocktower Plaza, Factory, downtown Kingston Mall, and we have other places such as Constant Spring Lane. That's on Constant Spring Road, and then one in Spanish Town.
Yes.
That's 23 Young Street, Spanish Town.
Yes.
And others in the countryside, you know, such as Spalding, Mandeville, St. Anne's Bay, Orchard.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Lamoy, for sharing all of that about Eyeglass Factory. I like here. You guys advertise a lot, so I think that also helped me to convince me to come here. And he says the prices are low, for real, because he told me that we have frames from $7,000 up, so $700 up. Guys, $700 Jamaican dollars for eyeglass frame, come on. Anyway, until next time, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and this was another episode of Jamaica Smiles. Please tell me which one of the frames I must choose.